Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy back with another mukbang. Ooh, another mukbang. You don't know, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to all this awesomeness. For today's video, I'll be doing turkey dipped in Bloves Smackalicious sauce. So good. If y'all been watching my video, y'all already know I've been rocking with the sauce for a couple months now. For a few months now. So this thing definitely stretched a long way. Guys, it's so quiet. I can hear the echo. I can hear my neighbors talking. These walls though. Ooh. Also, guys, stay tuned to the end. I'm also going to reveal the winners. Or winner, whatever. For the giveaway. But, ooh, I can't wait to dig into this turkey leg. Ooh, after this, y'all gonna see a video of how I made this bad boy. Made these. See if I could get a little, make y'all see me a little more. Okay, that's good. That's good. Get this turkey up like that. Alright, let me see. Alright. That's good enough. Whew, let me take a bite. Let me see if I come over here. Sounds like my neighbors. Whoa. Put this right here so it doesn't drip. Whoa. This turkey is good. Your girl can cook. Wow. Bring you a little closer. Ooh. Now I see why people are doing turkey mukbangs. Off the chain. Off the chain. Whew. So this video only cost me less than $4. Only cost me to buy the turkey leg. And I got two. Right, okay, the lighting better over here. And I end up getting 2 videos. Woo. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh yeah, that's better. I ended up getting 2 videos out of it. Two videos and it only cost me $4. Woo. A little less than $4. Yo, this light is not working for my turkey. I have some napkin on the side just in case. Start getting messy. Guys, y'all need to make this. I'm gonna put the video up on Friday of how I made this. Y'all need to try it because it's so good. And that's my thing, the fear be so, okay. Make sure y'all console me. The Fair be so expensive with a turkey leg. So this year they were charging $12 for a small leg. I'm like, $12 freaking dollars. That's too much. Even though I know they're trying to get their profit and all, they're trying to make their profit and all that, but damn, I got 3 turkey legs for less than $4. And I would have got only 1. That probably didn't taste as good as mine. For way more. It's crazy. I could eat a turkey leg, but I don't like the wings or the rest of the turkey. Only part I mess with is the turkey leg. Nothing's going in the trash, okay? As them say, nothing now, wheels, nothing now, dash away. Alright, guys. It's that time to announce the winner. It's that time to announce the winner of the prize. This sauce always have me burning up. Doom, doom, drum roll. So the winner, the one and only, is none_none1. So you're the winner. If you have Cash App, DM me your Cash App name. If you don't have it, you could download the app. Much easier. Or I could send you a gift card. Just DM me your address. You have until Friday. You have until Friday to claim your prize. She's the only one that entered. I guess the $25 ain't nothing. Yeah, I don't want no money. I was like, okay. I guess so. But my sister was also saying that, girl, why you made... She's like, that's too much. She's like, that's too much ish to do just to win $25. I was like, damn, I didn't think it was that much. Just subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification. That's 0.1 second to do. And then the rest of them just follow me on Instagram. That, I mean, I didn't feel like that was too much. But she was like, girl, I'm not, She's like, no, sir, too much. Too much-ish. When I get to 2K, I'll do, come on, Lighten, you are tripping. You is tripping. When I get to 2K, I'll probably do something else and an easier for you guys to enter. I guess this was difficult. So none_none won. You're the winner. Make sure you claim your prize by Friday. I will be making more turkey legs. I like turkey. I like this. It's pretty good. Guys, I finally got... Y'all know this sauce is extra hot. I've been putting brown sugar in there. And it's not... It's still hot, but it's not as hot as when I first made it. Man, I think it was burning up me. Man, it was burning up. Guys, what would be a good... Whew. See? Still hot. What would be a good travel destination that's budget friendly? A good place to travel. It's not too expensive. Let me know. Ooh, let me know in the comments down below. Oh, shoot. Ooh. Thank God this video is not no wipe your mouth challenge video. Whew. Shit would have been messy. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. So be love. She's supposed to collab. Oh damn! When y'all see this, okay. Okay. She posted a collab on Tuesday with her and Sasha. If y'all don't know Sasha, her channel is Steph and Tasha, but she dressed up as this alter ego, whoever she is, male / woman. She's just hilarious. Crack me up. Ooh. Yeah, you go check that out. If y'all watch other small YouTubers, leave me a comment down below and let me know like which ones do y'all like. So you go check out their channels and shit. I mean, go check out their channel, see what they about. Let's come up together, okay? Let's make this happen together. Guys, y'all see me messing this thing up. Y'all know it's good. It's really good. You know what's good? Because I added all the right seasonings up in this, okay? Whoo. If I could have ate this bowl, I definitely would have. Some more of this sauce. I was watching the Batty Twist and they did like 24 egg dipped in Bloves sauce. I'm like, you know, I should try that. That's pretty cheap. I want to make sure I don't go to work the next day. I don't have nowhere to go the next day. Cause boop, boop, boop. It's gonna be one hot mess. Oh, I should have did some shrimp. Oh, I got some shrimp in the freezer. Maybe next time. All right, guys. So that's it. Now, if y'all do mukbangs, y'all should definitely do this one: turkey legs dip and Bloves sauce, or you can make your own sauce. Who cares? But make sure you season it how I season it. That video will be out on Friday. That thing was bomb. That thing was delicious. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. This sauce will have you all messed up, dog. Have you guys all messed up. Bye. Catch you on the next one.